Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One Fusion Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which for me is right up here. So before you tap on it, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings where you can customize how it works. So let's start with the calls by tapping on it, and we have options like allow calls from anyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. So choose whichever one you want. I'm going to select no one to showcase another option, which is the allow repeated callers. So with this on, anybody that calls you twice within a 15-minute period will be able to reach you. Now the trick is they do need to call you twice and fit in that time range, but if they do, they will completely bypass the setting right here. So even though they should be blocked, they will not be, assuming they meet that criteria here. Moving on, we have messages. So messages has the same options as calls minus the repeated callers. As you can see, everyone, no one, stared, our favorite contacts, and yeah. So I'm just gonna keep it as it is, go back. Then we have see all exceptions. Now this provides us with the two first ones, as we had in the first, two options, along with different sounds. So we have allow alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and events. So you can disable, enable whichever one you want. And then from here we have restrict notifications. So this is just specifically for notification pop-ups. You can make a custom one if you want to. No visual or sound from notifications, so you can check that on, or no sound from notifications. So you have different steps of restriction. And then we also have default duration. So this is an option when you're tapping on the toggle. So from here, when you tap on it, you can have it until you turn off, so this will be the default. You can select it for a specific time range, so this is a time range that when you tap on it, it will pop up with this window, and you can tap on the plus to add more hours if you want to, or you can have the ask every time, which I'll go with, and basically what it does is once I tap on it, it will pop this window up, and from here I can, for instance, add the hours like I was able with this option, or simply until I turn it off, or until a specific time. Now, I haven't seen that ever before. I'm not sure what is this actually based on, but yeah, as you can see, it will pop up this window every single time to allow you to check which option you want for this specific time you're enabling it. And then at the very bottom we have the schedule, and this is the option that will allow you to completely not care about this Do Not Disturb mode ever again. So once you set it up once, you can basically forget about it. And I'm gonna create a new one just so we can see. I'm gonna go with the time, name it whatever you want, and from here we have days, so those are days of the week. And as an example, I'm gonna create Monday through Friday 9 to 5 just as a work one. So I'm gonna disable Saturday and Sunday because I don't want it to work during those days. So now the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically from Monday through Friday, and start time 9 AM, end time 5 PM. There we go, 9 to 5. And as you can see, and then we have alarms can override end time, and this is completely up to you. If you set up an alarm clock that is for instance before 5 PM, so somewhere in this time range, it will basically turn off the Do Not Disturb mode for this time. And then Do Not Disturb mode behavior, so this is the ones that we have already set, and the default one, the one that we went through, but you can also create a specific one just for this specific mode that we have enabled right now, and it basically gives you the same options, but you can choose different options for this one. So for instance, if you're at work, you can set it to be, I don't know, favorite contacts only can contact you or something like that. And from here, once you have set it up all, you can simply go back and it will automatically be enabled, as you can see. And if it is in the time range, it automatically also turns on. As you can see right here, it's already on right here, and it also gives you the name of the schedule that it is running on. So below we have the TT, which is what I named it. So that is how you would set it up as a automatic one. And like I said, it will run from 9 to 5 once it reaches 5 p.m. it will turn off and the device will go back to functioning normally. Apart from that, you can also disable it manually by tapping on it, and also enabling it yourself whenever you want it. It will pop you up with this thing all the time. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.